10 items is P. If each item is decreased by 3, then the mean will be, it is P minus 3. Firstly, what is a mean? Mean means total of all the numbers given divided by total number of elements. Means, see this, 5, 6, 7 are the 3 numbers given. So mean will be total of these numbers upon total number of elements, that is 3. 5 plus 6 plus 7 upon 3. Okay. So if you do this, the answer will be 6. Now each number is reduced by 2, because in our case it is 3, it is now here I have reduced by 2. So the new numbers are what? 5 minus 2, 3, 4 and 5. So new mean will be what? 3 plus 4 plus 5 upon 3, right, equals to 4. So 6 minus 2, each number reduced by 2, so mean is also reduced by 2. So that's why I have said it is P minus 3. The number by which you reduce each number, the mean will get reduced by that